Like 4 feet of snow, and then last night another 2 inches. And Joseph's over there up on the roof trying to get the satellite dish clean, and oh my God, I think it's snowing again. Are you okay? Are you okay?
This piece right here.
Ow! He hit my leg! Oh my God!
100% we get it. If not,
we're good.
Kicking. They're kicking. Here it comes.
Yes.
It's going to be 41, 42 yards, somewhere in that neighborhood.
Oh, God. I am so done. Just drive over me, world. I just fell. I just tripped because I'm running and I'm fat.
You okay?
Just in the second. Oh, Jesus.